My sons and daughters, hear my voice. I've watched you grow, I've seen your choice. Through every step, through every fall, know my love is with you all. The world is wide, the road is long, but in my heart you still belong. No matter where your journey leads, I'll be the roots beneath your dreams. Run, run, chase the sky, find your wings and learn to fly. Love with all your heart and soul, never fear to take control. Through the storms and through the light, I'll be your shelter and control. Through the storms and through the light, I'll be your shelter day and night. My sons and daughters, strong and bright, you are the stars that light my night. With every tear and every cheer, I'll be right here, always near. The world is wide, the road is long, but in my heart you still belong. No matter where your journey leads, I'll be the roots beneath your dreams. Run, run, chase the sky, find your wings and learn to fly. Love with all your heart and soul, never fear to take control. Through the storms and through the light, I'll be your shelter and control. Through the storms and through the light, I'll be your shelter day and night. And if you fall, don't be afraid, you'll rise again, you'll find your way. I'll be the whisper in the wind, the voice that says you'll win again. My sons and daughters, bold and free, go write the song you're meant to be. And when you need a place to rest, come home to love, you know it best.